Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix pull down not opening notification panel on Android. Let's get started. First, try a simple restart. Press and hold the power button, then tap restart. This clears minor system glitches that can stop the swipe down gesture from working. If restarting didn't help, check your touch screen. Try swiping on the other areas. If it doesn't respond, clean your screen and remove any screen protector that may affect touch. Then, just go to Settings, System, then Gestures, then swipe down for notification and make sure it's turned on. If issue continues, just check for a system update under Settings, then software update. Updating can fix bugs that cause gesture issues. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.